Hello and welcome. Today, we will be demonstrating how to take, use, and score the Self-Administered Waterless Empirical Taste Test, also known as WETT. This simple test helps assess taste perception and can be used in both self-administered and proctored settings. The test comes in 4 packs, with a total of 53 taste strips. Each strip has a gauze-like pad at the tip, which will be placed in the mouth and moved around to determine if the taste is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, brothy, umami, or no taste at all. Participants will record their responses on a response card, filling in the circle that best matches their perception. The test items must be completed in order, following the sequence in the provided containers and on the response sheet. How to take the test. First, begin with pack 1, placed in front of the participant. Then remove the first taste strip, holding it by the handle. Place the gauze tip in the mouth, moving it around for about 5 to 10 seconds, covering the front, back, tip, and edges of the tongue, where most taste buds are located. Decide whether the taste is sweet, sour, salty, bitter, brothy, or no taste. Then fill in the corresponding circle on the response card. Dispose of the used strip in a waste bin. Repeat for all strips, carefully following the order until complete. If an individual has difficulty administering it themselves, a proctor can assist. Like all sensory tests, it should be conducted in a quiet environment to minimize distractions. Now, let's go over how to score the responses. Ensure all responses are complete on both the front and back of the response sheet. Take the scoring key 1 of 2 and align it with the red dot on the response sheet. Count the correct responses in each column and write down the totals. Then repeat the process with scoring key 2 of 2 for the second half of the test. Add both totals together to get the final score. For example, page 1 total equals 18, page 2 total equals 20, and the final score equals 38 out of 53. Before administering the test, it's essential that everyone reads the manual. This step is very important to ensure accurate and consistent results. Now, let's go over how to interpret the scores. When you look at the normative sheet, you'll see that the test subject's score was 38. Based on this score, we can determine that this individual does not have a problem. Let's break it down. First, we consider gender. For a male under 30 years of age, a score of 38 means that they would fall at the 60th percentile and have normal taste function. On the other hand, if a male under 30 were to score a 25, then they would fall at or below the 10th percentile, meaning that more than 90% of men will score higher, while 10% or less will score lower. To put it in perspective, if this were a high school literature or chemistry exam, that individual would fail. Now, let's discuss a few key aspects of the WETT. The norms are separated for men and women. The scores follow a normal distribution, meaning most people score around the 30s. This normal distribution allows us to use parametric statistics to evaluate test results. Looking at the score distribution to determine function relative to sex and age in the chart, the yellow area represents 90th percentiles and above, meaning excellent function. The green area represents normal taste function, covering approximately the 30th percentile and above. The orange area falls between the 25th and 10th percentiles, suggesting possible impairment. The red area represents a total or near total loss of taste function. If someone's score is in the red zone, it means they have, for all practical purposes, little to no taste function, and those in the orange zone may be struggling. While individuals in the yellow zone have excellent function, and those in green have normal function. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to Sensonics International, and we will be happy to assist you. Thank you.